Hello, this is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am very excited to be doing my first video as a member of the Scrapbooking with Me design team. This is going to be a flip through of one of the kits I am going to be working with this in the next month or two. And this one has an autumn theme. This collection is called Autumn Magic. I did not print out the whole collection. I printed out the sheets I wanted right now. That is the beauty of digital kits. If I want more pages resized, duplicates, if I want to print them on different cardstock or thinner paper or vellum or whatever, I can. So let's just show you a quick look at this kit. All right, so the collections are wonderful. There are so many pages to these. I don't even know. I think some of them had 8, some of them had 10 or 12, and some of them had way more than that. So this is called Autumn Magic. These ones I just printed on white cardstock. This is one of the first pages. Can you see the vibrant colors in it? These ones look like a book. I haven't decided if I'm going to cut around the book or if I'm just going to tear or what I'm going to do on these. I will probably make some sort of folio or a journal with these. I haven't quite decided, but again, this is Autumn Magic. I'm loving the 3D look. It doesn't look like it's a flat paper. It looks very three-dimensional. So that's the first page that I printed. Uh-oh, you got to peek at the other stuff. Here's another one. Again, look at the vibrant images. Look at how dimensional they look. Loving that. This one kind of explodes across both pages. I have been following Scrapbooking with Me, the mother-daughter team, for I don't even know how many years, quite a few. This is a real honor to be on their design team. I hope I can do their stuff justice. Look at that. Look at the old house. I just love this. Normally, a lot of the autumn papers are on off-white. I like that some of these are bright white and have bright white on them. Here's another one with that nice little flower wreath. I have not decided what I'm going to do with these, but you guys will know. I do also have another project almost completed. I tried to do a video out of last night, and I decided I needed to take it apart and do some different things to it. So that is why I'm doing a flip through tonight of this kit. I will show you the other one in a day or two as soon as I finish the adjustments I needed to make. Loving that. Look at how the tablecloth is kind of rolled over. Beautiful, beautiful images. This one with that chair and the curtains, just gorgeous. This one has that same chair. No, it's slightly different. Let's look at that again. Slightly different chair, same style, little bit different. Kind of the same, but definitely not the same. I like that. Okay, this is the last of the pages. Is that the same page? I thought I printed different pages, but oh, again. See, that almost looks the same, but it's not. Some of the same stuff. Different house, slightly different pumpkins. That is really cool. I thought maybe I messed up and printed the same pages. I did not. So those are the pages I printed. Come back and see what I did with them. I made a lot of projects following the tutorials. These are little page tabs that I will score and fold over. There's a whole bunch of those. Bunches and bunches of those. So I guess I will need to do something with page tabs. Or maybe I'll come up with something else to do with these too. So there's got a bunch of page tabs. There's probably more that are going to fall out as I show you this. Here's one of the tags. Another tag. I did not print these on colored cardstock like I sometimes do, or lots of times I'll print a background on the back. I did not do that. I'm probably going to layer these, so I didn't do that. More tags with some of the same images. Gorgeous. And there's different tops on the tag. Some of them are the standard just flat tag, and some of them have curves. And then we have some pockets I can fold and use. More pockets. Sorry. Just a slide-in pocket without the gussets on it. Sorry, I've got a tickle in my throat. I was in a different area over the weekend. I was still in the state of Montana, but it was an hour and a half away. And believe it or not, even within the state, sometimes if I travel more than like 45 minutes any direction, they grow different things. Almost every time I go anywhere for a period of time that's not in my local area, I get some allergy reaction to whatever's going on. Okay, and these are little file folders I will fold over. Don't know what I'll do with those either. Maybe make little booklets inside whatever I'm going to make. I love this when I'm still trying to decide, because right now I honestly have no idea what I'm going to do with this kit, but I will come up with something. I hope you come back. All of the information for scrapbooking with me's Etsy shop and online store will be in the description of this video, and also my link tree listing my social media accounts and information, and you can look up the design team also. So please come back, hit the like button if you haven't already. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and I hope to see you back to show you the project that I started over on. I didn't start over. I took it apart, and I'm going to add stuff and reassemble it. I'm not going to tell you right now whether it's a folio or a mini album or a tag album or what it might be. Come back and see. Thanks for visiting my channel, and come back again soon. Bye.